Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by arriving fully equipped because stopping thunder needs mobility and repeat attempts. First, land at the nearest beach entrance and immediately check the sky for storm cues. These tell you thunder windows. Once on the island, place a quick save or note your respawn point so you can retry without losing progress. Make sure to keep tools accessible. You will cut, dig, and clear obstacles fast. This setup reduces wasted time and prevents thunder triggers from resetting incorrectly. Once done with setup, sweep the island to pinpoint thunder-producing objects or relic nodes. These are the prime culprits. You must isolate each source by clearing 3 to 6 surrounding objects so the node's effect stops chaining through terrain. Use precise tools, an axe for trees, a shovel for buried nodes, and bombs only when safe, to remove triggers without collapsing key structures. Make sure to work methodically, finishing one node before moving to the next, so you don't re-enable thunder accidentally. To finish, deactivate the last active node with the required ritual item or by destroying the node object. This permanently stops the storm cycle if done correctly. After deactivation, walk the island for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm thunder has ceased and normal weather resumes. If thunder reappears, you likely missed a hidden node. Reload your save and repeat the isolation steps, checking corners and under debris more thoroughly. This verification step prevents surprise restarts and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.